How about that? We're getting that crispiness that we like. Now let's go ahead and flip her. Ooh. Ladies and gentlemen, today we got a whole fresh young turkey. We're going to throw it on the smoker and get it all smoked up barbecue style. This is only a 12 pounder here. This is good enough for a single family home here and maybe invite a couple of people over, have a good time. This is how we're going to do it. All right, check this out, y'all. First things first, before we even get to doing anything, that little fake thermometer, take that out, get rid of it. And this stuff here that's holding it together, gonna go ahead and cut that off. Oh well, broke the scissors.
Oh, Lord.
Let me just use this. Some hard plastic, man. Ooh. All right, folks. Let me go ahead and take this spine out. So you can see the spine. Go on up in here, babe. Let you see that spine. So you can see that spine. So we're just gonna go right there and right there. Take that out. So you know how we gonna cook this bird? Spatchcock. Shears, you better not break on me. So I want to do this so I have less to do. Only thing I'm gonna be doing is seasoning. Alright, ready to come on out. Got that baby open. Let's get these little bones out. That. Like that. Take this here. This side. Ooh, hear that crack? Boom, there we go. So that way we're gonna get that seasoning and everything all up in here. And it's just gonna lay out nice and smooth. Super easy grill cook. Smoke it and get it nice and even on all sides. All right, let's get this baby washed up. Be right back. All right, we got this thing dried off, rinsed off. We washed it with vinegar. So all right. I'm about to take that off. Take that off. All right, let's go in. We're gonna do the inside first. Yeah, with a little bit of Lowry seasoned salt here. Get the inside. You go pretty liberal. It's a big bird. Then we're gonna hit it with the old Kinder's hickory molasses. Going for that old barbecue flavor instead of a hefty, savory flavor. Got the inside, it's all seasoned up. Now let's go with the outside. It's gonna be good. Don't be afraid to cover up. This is a low sodium rub here. 3% sodium intake, so that's not bad at all. Yep, get all up under there, see? All right, and we're just gonna hit it with a little bit of Lawry's. Oh, that combination, baby, it's smelling good. Seasoned. So, we're doing this a day ahead. So this is going in the refrigerator. We're not gonna cover it or nothing. So just going in there just like that. So when we wake up in the morning, We're gonna get on outside, smoke this baby up. It's gonna be delicious. And I'm using the Mirror 2 Plus thermometer in here to run the temperature for me. So we ain't gonna worry about nothing. All right, see y'all in the morning. All right, folks. That turkey has set overnight. All the liquid has drained all the way. We're gonna use the Mirror 2 Plus to monitor our temps. We're gonna make this nice and easy. Yeah, there we go. Got that bad boy inserted all the way in. Come on off. You ain't gotta be afraid. All right, let's go fat side down. Yep, you got your own lane. Ain't nobody gonna mess with you. Just like that. So we may come out in about an hour and a half and flip it to the other side. We just want to get a little color on our skin, a little crispiness. Man, that's taking up the whole thing, ain't it? All right, y'all. We're just about to let that roll. I got some post oak on there. And baby, it's going to be like a barbecue house. Y'all eating a whole turkey, smoked barbecue style. Way different than what everybody else going to be doing that's running in the oven. Be adventurous. Smoke that baby. How about that? 1 hour in. We're getting that crispiness that we like. Now let's go ahead and flip her. Ooh. We playing with them, baby.
Yeah, baby.
Man, it shouldn't take too long. What, about another hour?
Another hour.
'Cause this is relatively a small turkey, so
Yeah.
12 pounder. Not them big old 20 pounder. Remember when we used to go to grandma and them out? They had them big 20, 25 pound turkeys. Shoot. We're gonna be back and we're gonna grab it off. Give it about an hour. All right, folks. This has been on here 2 hours and 15 minutes. It is at 163 degrees. We're going to let it carry over to get all the way up to 165. Ooh. It looks quite gorgeous. Yes, y'all. All right, let's take it on in. Let it cool down. You want wine? Man, that is beautiful. Turkey. What you think about the turkey?
Smells divine. It's really good.
Yeah, we about to find out. Find out what's really going on. She been resting a while. Tell you what. Out on the cutting board. What they say? A little elbow grease, baby. Yep. That's what I'm talking about, baby. All right. What we want to taste first? Oh, man. Oh, my. Oh, my God. Look at that. Oh, you call tender. Well, that's the white meat. Juicy, baby. For the holidays, you go to people's house, nobody ever talks about how good the turkey was. They be like, "Yep, it was nice seeing everybody." And they might pick out one thing that's good, Well, Clara's peach cobbler was good. Oh man. So, but anyway, y'all, this is a beautiful thing, man. This turkey, You know what I'm saying? Make it for your folks. Like I say, holidays, whatever you feel like it. Man, this is a hit here. I'm glad I did this. This is such a unique flavor to be tasting turkey with, because you're used to tasting turkey with a herby, savory, garlicky, onion, oregano, sage, all that good stuff. So we got a different flavor profile, and I tell you what, it is good. And I know everybody is gonna be like, man, dog, that turkey was the bomb. Not only was it good seeing y'all, but the turkey was the bomb. All right, so check this out. I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. Appreciate you as always. Peace.